So you want to be a woodworker?
You want to be a woodworker?
So, you want to be a woodworker?
So you want to be a woodworker?
So you want to be a woodworker? Hi, I'm Scott Grove, and this summer at AWFS July 25th at 3 p.m. for the College of Woodworking Knowledge, I'm going to be on a panel with Allison McLennan, Daniel Lowry, Matt Buell, and is moderated by former Furniture Society President Andy Glantz. We're going to be sharing our years of experience as professional woodworkers, from pricing your work, working with interior designers, architects, commercial versus residential, wholesale versus retail, having employees, subcontracting, outsourcing, overhead, marketing, the social marketing work for us. Everything we know. We've made a lot of mistakes and we're going to be sharing it with you. So if you're considering being a professional woodworker, either just getting into it, or if you're a professional yourself and you're looking for some tips, we're happy to help. Come and check out this panel. It's going to be real exciting. A lot of Q&A time. So hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. You really want to be a woodworker?